So, hi everyone. In this video, we will going to learn that how to get the file content of a binary file in the Linux machine. For this, we will going to use a command in the Linux, which is called as strings command. Okay, so by using strings command, we can get the file content, get the binary file content. Okay, so we know that in the Linux machine, we get the file content of text files and any other format files using the cat head and tail command. But when it comes about the binary files, for example, in the Oracle database, we are having binary files like database.dbf files you can see on the screen, readlog files, which is extension under .log file, and then control file, which is ctl. So these are the binary files which are uh, in the non-human readable formats. Okay, so we cannot read them using the cat head and tail command. So in that way, because of that, we use strings command. Okay, so we can see that on the screen. Let me show you that how we will going to use strings command. So we will start with the strings as a command followed by the file name. Okay, then ctl here, and then we want to see the first for example 3 lines. So it will give us like this. Okay, this is the output from the string command. Okay, so in this place, if we view the same file using the get command, okay, so we can see that what it will give us. Let me show you. So it is in this file of exa. Okay, so in this way binary files are stored. We cannot read it. This is the difference between the strings and the get command. Okay, so you can see on the screen. So by using strings command, we can read the binary files. So in this way, it can be helpful in the Linux machine.